President Emerson Mnangagwa's new luxurious mansion in Harare's Helensville area has gotten a lot of people in Zimbabwe raising their eyebrows. Now, this isn't just any mansion. It spans a colossal 25,000 square meters and was built by Zim Construction. What's really sparking a debate is how President Mnangagwa managed to afford such an opulent property. Allegations are flying that he's the richest man in Zimbabwe and that his wealth might not be as clean as it seems. There are loud accusations that Mnangagwa has been amassing his wealth through corrupt mining operations, both in Zimbabwe and the Democratic Republic of Congo. While many Zimbabweans are struggling to make ends meet, our president is living large in a mansion the size of a small village. The gap between the rich and the poor in Zimbabwe seems to be widening, and this mansion is a glaring symbol of that divide. Transparency International has ranked Zimbabwe as one of the most corrupt countries in the world. This mansion is more than just a fancy house. It's a wake-up call. It's a reminder that the fight against corruption is far from over. And it's proof that the people have the power to demand better. So what do you think? Is this mansion just the tip of the iceberg? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Zim News Live YTS for more updates on stories that matter to you. Until next time, thanks for watching.